A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, first thing first, put a like on the video, leave a comment. Alright, so today we're going to talk about people who come from foreign and come to Jamaica to stay with family member. I want to put an honest opinion in that one. Big up the people in England, America, Trinidad, Bahamas, St. Kitts, Guyana, Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Australia, Japan, England, Canada, United States of America. Alright, everybody knows that tomorrow a Father's Day. I am a good father and I want to big up the people who reach out and I give me. I appreciate you know. Zane, I don't know. If I want to watch a video them sometime, maybe somehow I don't catch it live, to see who they behind it, but you must know who they behind it. I mean this. Alright? You know me as Damien, aka channel name MIXUP Boss. Alright? Remember to get on the shirt guys, I have different color. Alright, so this is black, I have blue, pink, all sort of color. You can reach me 876-277-3254. Alright, so I take a break tonight from the live show, but I know my viewers them always watch me, so I go into the video if you go and watch. See? So here we go. As I say, why is it when people they are Jamaica have family or friends are foreign, them choose to beg, and sometimes the friends them have overseas give them. And you say if you don't want to know people true colors, tell them say y'all come and then y'all come stay for a while. See? Sometimes at the foreigner them mangy, but I could not call a foreigner mangy. If you used to be a foreign and me used to beg and you used to give me, I can't call it mangy. I suppose I can accommodate you also one week or so and spend out of my pocket. That is just me. When I find out with enough Jamaican now, once you say a foreigner you come stay with them, they expect you to buy grocery, they expect you to pay for that they bill, they expect you to buy gas, they expect you to buy everything because you come from foreign. We see it so often. Big up the real people we know say yeah, no matter what, real no real, I will not sabotage my body too, we know so them come from foreign and make them uncomfortable. Alright, so I'm going to premiere an audio when I do with a lady. See? Some part of it can relate to what I just said, and some part of it can be like maybe, I'm just saying maybe she's, I don't want to use the wrong word, maybe she mean as in come and I use the people in something and I use her and I want to contribute, or maybe people just look upon her, she come from England, they expect she should give them an arm and a leg. Me know the code, I know enough people think. Put it in a comment when you think about this audio. See? I could drive and listen. Then be careful how them stay with because sometimes them picky. I'm there look upon them as maybe I show you know flash your money upon them.
No, it's not that bad because as I'm saying, because it's when I come out here because I'm been here, right? For about 2 weeks now, right? Maybe a little bit over 2 weeks, not like because they came out, right? I would say 2 weeks, actually 2 weeks, right? So it's not really like me there for a long time. So this lady, she didn't come and stay there. She said, you know, she felt comfortable. I come down, right? And I stayed her, you understand, for the for the first time she was nice, right? And a couple days after that, you understand, she started getting miserable or she feel uncomfortable. Anyway, the place.
So how long you know this lady for? How long you know her?
We know for years, you know. We have got with a brother, right? But like, me have like 2 pretty with her, because our brother is there in England, right? So me they have two kids for him, right? But it's not really to work out for me anyway, because he can have a person like this where they drink too much, right? Junk, come back in, going in domestic violence. So he just
never work
out. It wasn't getting any better. And then every relationship I'm going at is the same thing. You give one problem, issues, relationship. So he get deported and sent back to Jamaica because of his attitude and the way they behave in England. It was nothing to do with me, like other people. Because before he met me, because he was in a relationship with other people. And it was the same problem with him. So look at him reporting most of the time.
Okay.
And then they record build up, and then, the government decided,
Enough.
Yeah, so them send him back out here, like, so Matthew for a while now, so. So I feel sister face me they go, right? Although, as I'm saying, we don't know when they come here, look at the relationship with him long time ago. You understand? So the sister said me to come, right? But at the same time, he was there. But me should actually, I think otherwise, like, but me just don't come for a break, right? So she said me to come, right? So me came down, right? She came down, she was nice, for the first couple of days. Then she started to switch. I love me give her like money, buy her food and stuff at daytime, like if me go buy a drink or whatever, I go and bring her something. I ask her, I go on the road and I say she wants something, right? Sometimes she say yes, sometimes she say no. But then she say yes, me bring her use her food or whatever, right? Anyway, she still go on, miserable, seeing me, right? Me get it, go in a taxi and get her, right? I think that was the end of it, right? So me know this lady, right? But she was in New York after about 3 months. So me call her, she tell me she's back in Jamaica, and she advised me, right? Come and stay with her. When I come and stay with her, right? She was okay for the first couple of days. No, every day she had to me to come to her place. No matter how me try. Every day. She not comfortable. She only want one room, right? It's just a one room machine, and she know I'm gonna have people after STEM for coming up. She know have people that wanna all because the boy she get a look man how it go. And she talk all kind of things. So I'm going to the one and me think me probably come in a better atmosphere. Because if I give people money, it's just like, and I like, I'm not really giving up, but like when I give, it's just like, they're still not satisfied. Just like some things aren't right with them. It's a spirit of what it is. We don't know what it is with them, like, they never seem to be happy, no matter what you try to do. Or they just don't want to see around them. They probably want them more space.
So you go on. So you always go. But
yes, so I'm not sure. That's what I'm saying. I'm not palaver. I don't know what to do. Can me take this way up and return and I wonder because I just think there was a bit more time still.
Let me tell you how them things are going. So once you're a foreigner and you come at some people place and you know like money like that, they don't want to see you. Now teach how Jamaican think. Most of it. Because them say you did it. And then again maybe you did not contribute and then say, woman I can't go and rat to the yard man. You understand? So 6 or 1.5 dozen other. So that's how you go sometime.
Yeah, but at the same time, people, because, big people are big people, right?
So you contribute nothing for you come?
Yeah, I do. But it's just like, me give them like, a little money, probably, probably give them 50 or 100 pounds a week, like, But it's just like, there's something else about them. Say one name space, I talk about, because this one, I'm going to say she have a man or a man that come here. Attach them to come here, right? They show them in one room.
I feel them style, I forget rid of you, man. That's his style, man.
And then this one, the church with my face.
Yeah, man, I just forget rid of you. I'm good to say the woman that cheat my right, you don't want to hire. Then she have flash money from them. That's what they turn, man.
Yeah, but at the same time, does money bring, is money everything? Does it bring happiness? A lot of people already have money now and they're still not happy. So what does it actually bring?
True.
No, I'm not saying it's not good to have it, If you're in a certain needs and you need to do certain things, but is it the world? Does it bring happiness?
True.
It's just like you probably have a money today, right? You probably might just do a little thing and then tomorrow you don't really have it and then you have to wait until they come in again, still in it. So it's not really like, it's just,
True.
It's the world that brings happiness.
True.
Some people rich and some people rich and still not happy.
True.
Some I can't really understand or figure out what some people's problem is like,
Just stress yourself about them, man. What is to be must be, yeah?
Okay, and I can say the best. So put more. That's where they come from, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna what I said, always I said everything good what I said.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I make them drain the energy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I make them drain the energy, baby girl. Your voice gone down low.
I'm just like, yes, I was here yesterday, right?
Your voice gone down low.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah.
Wait there. Yeah, you hear me now, right?
Yeah.
Wait there. Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah.
And then yesterday, because like, I went to yesterday, see, and then I come back, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then she open her mouth and attack, right? About, yeah, because like, every day she tell me the same thing, right? Like, I repeat herself to me. So we come back in last night, she said the same thing to me. I said, no, I said to her, I say, it's alright, you know, me just get myself, I'm thinking that I'm here for that moment. But, you know, she said to me, when I give her attitude, but then she give me attitude. So she open my mouth and attack now, right? She not like it.
Okay. Yeah, what you do, man? Just stay far from them people, and if my dad just waste time at Jamaica, just book my flight gone back to England and just say, you know what, F it, and just gone. Let me tell you, I stay. See, when I around people, I see them discomfort, and no, I don't want to run them environment there. Come and tell you this, see, once you come from foreign people, I look upon you, if mind them, buy things, floss them, carry them out, Ray. And worse, you're British, and them obviously most British people mean. Also, they have if it's on England people tight with money, they mean. So, other chat they're falling now.
Yeah, but I understand what you're saying, but at the same time, you know, it's not everybody like that. You have good and you have bad people, or you know, everywhere. Just like in England, you probably might have some good people, you have bad people. So everybody's not the same, and then sometimes, you know, everywhere over the road, sometimes it can be hard to.
Them don't know that most Jamaicans don't look upon that. Once you're a foreigner, that is why they show them face, man. I can't tell you. I not ask you. I can write a book about this. And tell you, man. Yeah, man, that is why they show them true color, okay? So let's just yourself on that.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So let's kill out yourself on that, please.
Yeah, but something, it's something I think when it actually go there, because some people, you know, when they come in, they must know when they're coming too.
Yeah, man. That is why I share on my platform. Yeah, guys. So on the year I go, I want to tell me what you think about that. Give me an honest opinion. What you think about that? What you think about that? Give me an honest opinion. What you think about that, please. So I can say, alright then. I don't know what I go on. On the year what she say, you know, she didn't have one tenement yard. Then she got the next lady, and the lady starts screw up her face. I tell her, say, she have a little man for come, blah blah blah. You don't be judge right. You don't know anything go. The next video, you know, I premiered the video the other day with a man say, he might move out in things out of house, because man, the woman left, and he find one something named Timey with powder and liquid. Anyway, I call him on the phone, and me and him have a brief conversation, but I did promise on the video, so I make on hear what happened after and how my progress, but him saying done with the woman, period. They put it in a comment, does people really try tie people to them, or it's just people trick people and just make them buy them something down in the world? Let me know what you think about that also. Alright? So I could drive and listen.
When I move with something about my things, man.
Come again?
They say, I will move the thing, drop out of thing, then when I move, I reach up from my house, and I take my things, then I sit to drop out.
Oh.
So you have to escape, so.
What do you mean escape? What do you mean escape?
My man top and shoes and now escape.
Oh, Errol say it might be a put you on a pillow or somewhere, you know. You're not going to escape. He say you're not going to escape. Now listen to Errol, man. That's trouble. Now listen to Errol, I joke him, man. You're not going to listen to Errol say you're not going to escape. Yeah, him say you'll get you temporarily, but you're going to end up go back.
No, sir.
Yeah, man. So you say you pull up, you fit up your clothes there, man. You see you drop down?
I'm a bed, me I take down out of the bed and drop.
Out of the bed? Oh, so Errol, right, I go down a pillar to rotted. So how does something that work? Then just show it powder with the oil?
No, no idea, no, right no more. I'm going to the store, I'm never like it when I work. I'm afraid to have something to put on my food.
Oh, yeah, whenever something you put in your food. Oh, I understand what you say. Wow.
So I saw them sitting there.
Oh, then put it in your food. But you don't have no screw piece for now.
You
don't have no screw piece for now.
No, man, I'm not screw piece for now.
But you eat for now, though?
You know me from now, man. I'm with them. With them, I feel some pain and stuff. But show me a man always ill conscious.
Oh, you feel some pain? Which part you feel pain?
There.
Which part you feel pain sometime?
I'm looking me a belly problem, man.
Oh, so.
I'm with them with belly take me. That's why I'm into a suspect nothing.
So you sure, Harry? You sure, Harry? You sure?
You know, in morning, I'm finding something. I see she have one daughter there, so I show her daughter. And the daughter, I pull it out on the door, and it's surprising, speechless. So I'm never there at the time.
Oh.
So about 10 minutes after she call me, she call me. I don't answer. So the daughter call and say, she wish I'm finding something called fear one. She did have in her bag and her mother bought her bag. So her mother put up the things.
Oh, so the daughter say, which part you find it? So I daughter one?
The daughter asked me where me find it. I pretend like a she, the fear one. Her mother take out her bag and put up. Her mother did buy her bag.
Oh, so the daughter want to take a lick feet?
So I tell her land, but I try that. I don't think she didn't have no man live with.
No, yeah, and she say when she find it, she did surprise too. So she would have said, my one. Yeah, so I plan one little scheme, my youth, for you go back. Dude. No, sir.
I mean, I shot me down. This is not a wicked, sir. I want to go to them, the people there.
Alright, that's all I heard, man. If anything, look up on my shirt. But you know, go back up the door. You move.
Yeah, look at things. I'm going to take time and move.
Okay,
but
okay.
you have no big vehicle. I'm going to take time and move them.
Okay. How long you live there for?
4 years ago, 5 years, I did there. And if you are placing in my place.
Oh, are your house?
A rent house.
Oh, rent house, okay, but okay.
I don't want to business down here, so they just rent somewhere nearby.
So the relation.
She not plan to leave, so I may have to leave.
She not plan to leave, oh, so she have to pay the rent then. Okay. Make sure you don't go back though.
No man, I don't go back.
Last but not least, when you reach this far in our video, happy Saturday. Make sure you like up the video. Like up the video now, man. What I'm doing, like up the video, I see what I want to. But then I comment and watch, you know. Here what I going to say now. The lady watch one of my video, and she's from Canada, and she going to say, she sometimes pick up some man from Jamaica, and then misbehave and whatever. For her situation, she kind of slightly blame herself because she did make her daughter and her husband getting a little altercation and then could agree. Alright, so when I be judge, she watch my video, she new to my channel, want to listen what she say and tell me if one think she wrong or she big enough to say alright then she make a mistake or what. Because we always hear the stories them and it go vice versa. Alright, so I want to watch the next video and put it in the comment what you think. And remember, Father's Day giveaway 2024. Alright, just call in, give them a name. All I genuine father. I don't want a man who just breed woman and left them. Real father. Same. WhatsApp a picture 8762773254. And because you say a real father, you can win a $10,000 in our envelope. See envelope, see it, $10,000 courtesy of me. Same. It will go in our little draft and the name them will come up, then win. So I say you go. And my money as somebody overseas if you do it for Father's Day. Alright, so I say you go. So anyway, I'm going to listen what the lady I say and I'm going to put it in a comment on the thing. Guys, I love you. Big up on yourself. Soon tomorrow night, the boss is out. I'm going to listen to this.
Good afternoon, MIXUP boss. Hope all is well with you and the family. I was listening to one of your program about this gentleman where his the Christian, so-called Christian woman came down to Jamaica and they got married and he came up and she called, how was it? He called police on her. Then he ended up in a shelter and then he was in a basement and when he was calling, he was coughing a bit. I was just wondering how he's doing, because them type of women make it really bad for the good women here in Canada. I sponsored somebody in 2017. No, sorry, 2018. I met him in 2017. We got married in 2018. Got through 2019. Came up to Canada. I came up December the 13th, and 6 months later, he left. Now, I'm not saying some of it wasn't my fault. Yes, it was. I had one of my daughter came back to live with me, and him and her didn't get along. I mean, other than that, me and him get along great until she came back to live at the house, and they had little confrontation, and he started sleeping out in the car for no reason, because I did not kick him out. I wouldn't do that. For a minute there, we stayed at my mom's house for a little bit, and she did live in a nursing home. Not a nursing home. She eventually ended up in a nursing home, but she was living in a retirement home for a little bit. And no matter how much I tell this man to come back into the room, my daughter live in the basement, he live upstairs. You don't have to say nothing to her. And she was behaving away to the point where I tell her, if you don't behave, you're a grown woman, you can get out of the house. Anyways, even his friends with him, go back and sleep in the bed with your wife. The daughter not giving you nothing, just don't talk to her. She's not staying there long. She's going to leave eventually. So anyways, looked like we got back together again. Eventually, I kicked my daughter out because she was stressing me out. And then after he came, our relationship started to go well again. And one day, my daughter came to pick up something. Him and my daughter got in an argument, and then he left. I said to him, you're not married to my daughter, you're married to me. So the best thing to do is just ignore her. Because that's how she is. She'll full them out. Everybody know that. But she's not doing nothing. That's how she stay. And then so I said to him, it was our 1 year anniversary coming up. So I said to him, why don't we go to Niagara Falls and just have some me and you time. No, instead arguing with me and one bag of thing. 2 weeks later, I come home from work, him and pack up and gone. I asked him where him go and why he just leave like that. The man leave me some message. Oh, if you're not Jamaican, I would have beat you to your soft. And some other stuff this man leave on a voice note. One elder used to talk to back home. I send him all the voice note, and he's like, my God, I didn't know he was like that. I go, neither did I, because we were getting along very well till my daughter came. Even before I got him a job, before he came up here, he was working. All of his money was going back home to his baby mother, which I didn't mind him sending something to his baby mother, but I was the one that ended up paying all the bills here, and he didn't pay any. You know what I mean? 4 months after he come up, he gone back home, gone visit his baby mother. So, I mean, there was no red flag prior to that. Even everybody that knew the situation, like, I didn't see no red flag. He looked like he really loved you. Down to his boss, say, oh, he really love you, you know. Yeah. So, after 6 months, and I noticed he wasn't coming back, I filed for divorce. I did what I had to do, make them think that he knew about the divorce, and that's it. 2.5 years later, this man called me. Oh, are we still married? I said, no. Why? Oh, this girl did me something and it's going to go to court. This man I treated very well. Down to the elder back home and go, you got a good woman, you know. His cousin even say you have a good woman. Take care of her. Because when you were sick down here, she's the only one that was there for you. Not even your family was there for you. You know, but he didn't want to come back. It's a whole long drama, but I literally I I sent him the money, build a house back home. It was a 1-bedroom. And I spent over 30,000 Canadian dollars and more, probably even more. I would say run up to 40,000 Canadian dollars. This man left me in debt. Even when he was leaving the house, he left me with $300 phone bill. Never looked back, never ever said, let me try and help her out, because she did help me out. To find out he's adding more room to the house back home that I put. And I found out and I called him and I said to him, he said I could stay at the house anytime I want. I said, I don't want to stay at the house. Just give me the money I put into it and I'm good. You know, never got back to me on that. So it's not every woman in Canada that's bad. Look, I treated this man like fabulous. My last time I would get to him, that's how much I loved him, but so it goes, you know. Anyways, MIXUP boss, keep up the good work. Like I said on one of, I'm not sure which one of your program I was watching, but so much man in Jamaica just sitting there now under nothing. You know, you took the step and you started look out thing on YouTube, and big up yourself, continue the good work, and, you know, respect to you.
Anyway, guys, I just say that, but anyway, me always post the picture up on my live show, me and Earl a laugh. You don't know, say, one lady call and ask him number, so me give him number, and him say, him have to tell me all the thanks, because I never know, so a woman that want him. I don't know a picture already, so I'm not going to hear what I say, because I never hear the voice behind the picture. I could drive and listen.
Thank you very, very much, MIXUP boss. I so really appreciate what you have done for me. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna make it work. As long as she's willing to talk with me, you know, I'm a really good listener. I will be here just to listen to what she has to say, and we can get to know each other. Like I said before, I haven't have a girlfriend. And I can explain why. You see, I used to be into a relationship from last year. I wish she could hear this as well. I used to be into a relationship last year in October. From October till now, I haven't seen anyone. The girl that I was dating, you know, Jamaican woman stay on a hole. She has been working in the States, and from ever since, she haven't called me. I tried to call, and one day she really answered the phone and said, it is over between me and her. You know, I was so caught up because I was so into this lady. And I don't know what did I do wrong to deserve all of this. And I'm saying to myself, you know, life is really cruel, because me and her, we were so good. We were so nice. When we were in Jamaica, when she were in Jamaica, we were so nice. We were living very good. And all of a sudden she go to abroad, and it's like she just changed like green lizard. So I have to just accept her decision. She blocked me. You know, it take me a while to forget, but I think I am forgetting about her. I forget about her because she's totally forget about me. So I forget about her. So, you know, I want to move on. I want to be happy. I want to be in love with this lady that you're hooking me up with. I really would love to love her. I will love to show her my attention and show her how much I appreciate and love her. You know, because love is what matters. And I know there are a lot of good women out there, but good woman is hard to find. Good man is hard to find. And I promise I will be a good man to her. I won't let you down, MIXUP boss. Thank you very much. Thank you really, really very much for doing this for me. I really appreciate it. And I will call you soon. I will call you someday. And thank you. Me and her, if we be able to get married and settle down and have a future together, we both can call you. We both would call you and thank you for hooking us up. You know? 'Cause love is out there now. Love is out there, but it's really hard to find. I'm trying to get to her, but I guess she's busy. I guess she's not on the WhatsApp or something.
Mix up boss, I saw him and look. Mix up boss, I saw him and look.
What wrong with him look?